running on empty. Your hands are tired, and your mind will not stop racing. You are giving everything you have just to keep your head above water. And nobody even notices. You say yes when your body is begging you to say no. You carry everyone else's problems on your back. You drain your own cup to make sure they do not go thirsty. And then you wonder why you are breaking down in private. Stop. You were not created to be the savior of everyone around you. God is isolating you right now because you forgot how to be quiet. He drained your energy because you were spending it on the wrong people. You think this exhaustion is a punishment? No. It is a forced reset. He is stripping away the noise so you can finally hear his voice. You cannot fulfill your calling if you are constantly bleeding out for people who do not value your blood. Your circle is shrinking, and your energy is low. That is the exact environment where God builds iron into a man's spine. So stop fighting the isolation. Stop trying to pour from a completely dry cup. Let the weak ties fade away. Close the door. Catch your breath. Rebuild.